This is lesson 2-5A, polynomial long division. I'll start with an example from 3rd grade, then we'll do an example from Algebra 2. 102 divided by 7. Step 1, we write it in this familiar notation. Then we see that 7 goes into 10 once. 1 multiplied by 7 is 7. Subtract, get 3. Carry down the 2. 7 goes into 32 4 times. 4 times 7 is 28. Subtract, we get 4. 7 doesn't go into 4. That's the remainder. And we go plus 4 over 7. That's the format we'll use in Algebra 2. All right, we're going to do the same thing, except now use letters instead of just numbers. So example 2. It's important that you've got placeholder terms. Just like we had a 0 back here as a placeholder for the tens units, we want to have every term accounted for. So I've got x to the 4th, x to the 3. I'm missing an x squared term. I'll put in a placeholder. X to the 1, x to the 0. Over here I'm good. So step 1 is to rewrite it as follows. 2x to the 4th plus 3x cubed plus 0x squared plus 5x minus 1, all divided by x squared minus 2x plus 2. Now what we do is we just focus on this first term here and this first term here. And I ask myself, what do I need to multiply this by to make it become that? And the answer is 2x squared. And then just like in the previous example, I take 2x squared and I multiply it by the divisor. And I'm going to get 2x to the 4th minus 4x cubed plus 4x squared. And again, I'm subtracting. Something minus itself is 0. 3x cubed minus a minus is going to be a positive, so it's going to be 7x cubed. 0 minus 4 is minus 4x squared. Then I carry down the next term. And I repeat the procedure. I now focus on the 7x cubed to get the x squared. What do I need to multiply this by to make it be that? And the answer is 7x. In general, you will decrease in powers by 1, so 2, 1, 0, remainder. All right, 7x times that. So now I'm going to multiply 7x by the divisor. And I will get 7x cubed minus 14x squared plus 14 plus 14x. Again, I will subtract. Common mistakes made in there. So something minus itself is 0. Minus 4x squared minus a minus, it's going to be plus. So 10x squared. 5 minus 14 minus 9x. Carry down the last term. Repeat the procedure. What do I need to multiply this by to make it become that? The answer is 10. Multiply 10 by the divisor. And I'll get 10x squared minus 20x plus 20. Again, I will subtract. Minus 9 minus a minus 20, the minus 9 plus 20, that's going to be 11x. Minus 1 minus 20 is going to be minus 21. X squared does not go into that. This is the remainder. So I'm going to add the remainder. Plus 11x minus 21 all over the divisor. X squared minus 2x plus 2. And that is my answer. If I got a negative remainder, I always go plus the minus over the divisor. It just helps prevent mistakes. So there you have it. how to do polynomial long division.